Hey, welcome back to Born and Bite, the spot where food meets fitness and every bite takes you one rep closer to your goal. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you looked at an eggplant, yeah, that deep purple veggie, and thought, this could be the key to faster recovery after my workouts? Probably never, right? Well, today we are going to completely change how you look at eggplants because behind that shiny purple skin is powerhouse of antioxidants that your sore muscles are begging for. If you are trying to clean up your diet, support muscle recovery, or just feel less like a truck hit you the day after leg day, eggplants might just be your new favorite food. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will never skip the eggplant aisle again. So let's take a second to rewind and appreciate where this misunderstood veggie even came from. Eggplant, if you want to get all scientific, has been around for over 1,500 years. It originally came from India and China. And fun fact, it was not always purple. Ancient varieties were white, yellow, even green, hence the name eggplant because they looked like goose eggs. Over time, it made its way through the Middle East and into Europe, and eventually the Americas. But here's the thing, back then people were suspicious of it since it is part of the nightshade family. Early Europeans thought it was poisonous or could cause madness. I know, wild, right? Fast forward to today. And while eggplant is not exactly a gym bro staple like chicken breast or broccoli, it is slowly making its way into clean eating circles and fitness kitchens, and for very good reason. So, what makes eggplant special? I mean, it does not scream protein or power fuel, but here's the twist, it is not about bulk, it is about recovery. Eggplant is low in calories, has virtually no fat, and it is packed with fiber. But the real star, antioxidants, particularly nasunin, a powerful antioxidant found in the skin, the part most people peel off. Please don't. Nasunin fights oxidative stress. And if you have been lifting, running, or just living an active life, you are creating a lot of oxidative stress. This stuff helps your body recover faster, reduces inflammation, and even protects brain function. Think of it like your internal janitor, sweeping up the free radicals and cleaning up the mess after a brutal HIIT session or a leg workout. Now let's break that down in gym talk. When you hit the weights hard, you are creating micro tears in your muscle fiber. That is how muscles grow. Tear, repair, repeat. But this process generates free radicals, unstable molecules that can cause inflammation and cellular damage. That is where antioxidants like nasunin come in. They help neutralize those free radicals, speeding up the healing process and reducing soreness. It is like calling in a recovery team for a demolition job. The faster the cleanup, the quicker the rebuild. So, no, eggplant is not going to pack on muscle like protein shakes, but it is going to make sure your muscles are ready to grow and perform again tomorrow. Let's talk about clean eating for a second, because if you are trying to stay clean, reduce bloating, or cut fat, what you put in your body matters big time. Eggplant is a volume food. That means you can eat a lot of it, get full, and still stay in a calorie deficit. That is good for anyone cutting weight without feeling like they are starving. And the fiber? Oh man, it is underrated. Fiber helps digestion, balances blood sugar, and keeps you from raiding the fridge at midnight. Try swapping out high-carb pasta with the grilled eggplant slice. Layer it with tomato, basil, a little low-fat cheese. It is like a clean lasagna that actually helps your recovery instead of giving you a food coma. One thing I love about eggplant, it is crazy versatile. You can roast it, grill it, air fry it, mash it, even blend it into sauces. And when you season it right, the heavy lifting, it makes the heavy lifting worth it by helping you recover, reduce, won't bench press for you, but it will help your body be ready when it is time to lift again. And if you are serious about performance, that is what counts. If you try adding eggplant to your routine this week, drop a comment. I want to hear how you cooked it and how you felt. And hey, in the next episode, we are diving into chia seeds. Tiny, underrated, but packed with nutrients that boost endurance and cut fat naturally. You don't want to miss it. Until then, eat smart, train hard, and stay burning. This is Burn and Bite. I will catch you next time.